welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm super excited because I got 2 boxes in the mail, and look at this, you guys. Oh, there's no logos. Well, you guys can see what this one is from. The bottom one is from Jeffree Star, and this top one is from Juvia's Place. And I pretty much got myself these 2 things because I passed the semester. I mean, when I ordered these, I did order it before the semester ended, but I mean, I already knew I was going to pass my classes. So I'm going to begin with a Juvia's Place box that I almost dropped right now. And I actually ordered this because it was like a special bundle sale or whatever you call it. Clara Barrera is the one that actually posted about it on her Instagram. Okay, so it does come with like a bunch of wrapping stuff here. So here it is, 3 full palettes. Okay, I'm super excited about this. So here they are, very beautiful. Okay, so the first palette is a Warrior by jUVIAS, this one right here. And actually, I'm going to be opening this really careful because I might put this one in a giveaway. It is sealed right there, so I'm going to cut it with a blade very carefully. Okay, it's bubble wrapped. And here is the palette, super pretty. I love the packaging. And here is the color story. As you can see, it's very pretty, but I feel like it's kind of too neutral for me. I mean, it's really pretty, but I feel like I already have these colors, so I might put it in a giveaway or give it to my mom. I'm not sure. I will let you guys know because I also want to do a giveaway. I haven't done one in a long time. But anyways, this was the first palette that came in this bundle. Super beautiful palette. And of course, when I do giveaways, I only include people that are actually active in my channel. Like if you like my videos and you comment and all of that. So yeah. Okay, let's see. The next palette that I got in this bundle, it is the Nubian 2 by jUVIAS. This one right here. It's a very pretty palette. And I'm also going to be opening this one very careful because I don't remember if this is the one that I wanted or not. So it comes bubble wrapped as well. And here is the palette. It's very beautiful. Okay, whoa, this is very pretty. Okay, I might keep this one. I'm not sure yet. It's really pretty. So anyways, this is the color story right here. And as you can see, it is very beautiful. I like the orange, the burgundy, the blues, the greens. They're all very beautiful colors. But I'm still not 100% sure if I will keep this. I will let you guys know. I might keep it. It's really pretty. And lastly, here is the palette that I actually wanted, and it's this one right here. This is the Walhalla 2 by jUVIAS, and it's so pretty. I love the packaging. Okay, this one I'm for sure that I'm going to keep. Oh my gosh, here's the palette. Very beautiful. And here is the color story. It does have like a little plastic there. And look at these beautiful colors, you guys. I know there's a lot of blue, but they're all so very pretty, and the pink and the purples. I guess these are teals or something like that. I don't know. But anyways, this whole palette is very beautiful. So I'm super happy that I got it. And I can't wait to use this. So I will be doing a palette bingo very soon with this beautiful palette. Oh my gosh. It's just so beautiful. I'm not going to swatch them right now because I don't want this video to be super long. And I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this palette a billion times already. Okay, so now I'm going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star box. And I ordered this because it was buy one get one free, or else I wouldn't buy it because his palettes are super expensive. So let's open this up. Now this one I'm super excited about because I've been wanting this palette since the day that it came out. So anyways, this is what it looks like inside. It's just white paper, white tissue paper. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Okay, so I did get the Jawbreaker palette. As you can see, it says Jawbreaker right there, and this beautiful sticker. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. I'm so happy that I finally have this. This is the palette right here. It's really pretty, and it looks like a Jawbreaker. Okay, so here is the palette. Oh my gosh, the colors are very pretty. Okay, I love this. So here is the palette. As you can see, it's very pretty and colorful and just so pretty. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this palette. I'll probably do a palette bingo today. Not in this video, it's going to be a separate video. So anyways, yay, I'm so excited. Okay, so you guys will be seeing palette bingo soon after this video. And the palette that I got free is this beautiful palette right here, and this one is the, what are you called? Blood Money. It's this one right here. I wasn't sure which palette I wanted to get for free, but then I just decided to get this one because I only have one green palette, which is the avocado palette. So maybe I could do like a palette bingo using this one and the avocado palette to like compare the greens or something. Anyways, I love this tissue paper. It's super cute. Oh, I just I didn't notice. It has Jeffree Star's face right there. That's funny. Anyways, here is the box. Very cool. I like it. I got the box open. I was actually struggling a little. And here is the beautiful palette. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm so happy that I chose this one instead. This is so exciting. I really love the details on this palette. It's really cool. And it's less bulky than the Blue Blood palette, so I really like that. Oh my gosh, this palette is so pretty. So look at this, you guys. I mean, you guys probably already saw this palette 1 billion times, but I haven't. And look at all those beautiful colors, you guys. I am so freaking excited to try this out. So I'm really happy that I got these two palettes, and I felt like it was a really good deal. Even though it was a little pricey for shipping and everything, I did pay $74.49. So yeah, it was pretty pricey, but it's still better than buying them on a regular day. So anyways, let me know if you guys also got anything from the BOGO sale that he had. And if you did, what did you guys get? So anyways, that was my little makeup haul that I got recently. I think I'm good with palettes for a couple of months, or I don't know, maybe I'll get one for my birthday. I'm not sure yet, but we will see. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this small little haul. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.